The Republic of Singapore Air Force, RSAF, has unveiled its new Airbus H225M Caracal medium helicopter. Singapore press were able to get a closer look at the new helicopter, which was displayed by the RSAF on December 15, 2021 at the Sembawang Air Base. The Singapore Ministry of Defence, MINDEF, described the new H225M helicopters as an aircraft with high load capacity, easy cabin access, combined with fast cruise speed, long range and in-flight agility, providing the flexibility needed for the RSAF to be more effective and capable in meeting operational demands. Singapore announced its intentions to acquire the Airbus H225M on November 2016 to replace its aging fleet of AS332M Super Puma helicopters, which have been in service with the RSAF for more than 30 years. The first H225M helicopter was received by the RSAF on March 2021. 30 helicopters are believed to have been ordered by the Singapore MINDEF, which would be delivered in phases to the RSAF's Participation Command, will be used for inserting troops and drop supplies in combat conditions, and provide support to ground and maritime units. They are also expected to be used for non-combat roles including search and rescue, SAR, and support for humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, HADR, operations. The H225M Caracal was said to be a huge improvement over the older AS332M Super Puma, with the new helicopter having 20% more range and higher loading capacity. It is also equipped with a double hoist system, with longer cables and faster motor.